बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. All right, Tiger, we'd love to hear you say something about your new friends.
Um, Hi guys. Hello. Hi. 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 What do I have to say about my new friends? मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि these guys are, you know, a very, very strong asset to me, Flying Judd, and I'm trying to help them also. You know, three of us make a stronger team. So, where he is a superhero, he is a superhero, I'm a superhero. So, we are like the Avengers of India, you know? Yeah. But yeah, because of them, I'm trying to save more people, and we are saving more people together. Teamwork, together everyone achieves more. And if you have partners like Chhota Bheem and Chris, then that makes us unstoppable. Flying Jet is unstoppable with them.
But Tiger, you are a superhero who's afraid of heights. So what do you do differently from the other superheroes?
What do I do differently? Well, I can dance. I can, the one thing I do differently, which is very unique, which I don't think any superhero does, is I'm scared of my mother, so I have to listen to everything she says. So if I'm flying, flying home, on my way home, even if I'm in costume, she'll give me a call on my mobile and I have to pick up. She says, please go to the market to pick up vegetables. So, yeah. So I have to stop at the market and buy her vegetables.
And we've seen in the trailer that you clean your house also.
I have to clean my house also. She takes advantage of me by, using my powers in her favor. So she makes me clean houses, climb the roof, climb on the walls, clean the, cobwebs. So yeah.
All right, I have to ask Jacqueline now. If you had a choice between Chris and Bheem, who would you go for?
I don't know who's gonna woo me better. Yeah, like maybe a little dance off. Let's try a dance off or something. Should we try a dance off on Beat Pay Booty? Do we have Beat Pay Booty? Yeah? Okay, so the better, you guys help me, okay? Whoever dances better on Beat Pay Booty, I'll choose him. You guys ready? Did you even dance for me? Chhota Bheem, did you even dance for me? Chris was dancing his heart off.
I'll tell you what. I think why? Because Chris and the Flying Judd have been up to something. I think we need to see that. Yeah, okay. Let's see that. Let's see that on the video. Come on. Of applause. All right, kya baat hai. All right, so Remo sir, we want to know what is the secret behind this costume?
The secret behind this costume is, if you carefully see, there are two parts of this costume. This is Shaolin shoes, and this is Sikh, Sardaron ka, Khanda and Pug. So दोनों को mix किया है, and जो color इस costume का है वो निहंग warriors थे हमारे Sikh warriors, वहाँ से लिया हुआ है. So हर चीज़ का इसमें importance है. So everything is there.
But इसको design किसने किया है? ये मतलब क्या है ये? मतलब you I think somewhere I read it that it was designed by someone very special, by the Flying Judd's mom, something कुछ तो ऐसा था ना?
फिल्म में जो है वो हमने सभी देखा है कि आज तक हमको ये नहीं पता है कि स्पाइडरमैन का कॉस्ट्यूम, बैटमैन, सुपरमैन के कॉस्ट्यूम किसने बनाए हैं, लेकिन मैं ये बता दूं कि फ्लाइंग जेट का कॉस्ट्यूम उसकी मम्मी ने बनाया है.
Mamiya, please get ready. Please design your costumes right now for them. I'm telling you first only.
और एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आप लोगों के लिए सबसे बड़ी बात जो हमारा फ्लाइंग जेट करता है वो अपनी मम्मी की बात सुनता है. See?
You know what we'd like to see is for 1, 2, and 3 for you guys to show us your flying jut moves. Let's see that. I think that is what we're all waiting for because you know you are like a dance master. We love you on screen when you're killing it on screen, and we have him who's like a dance institution only. Like especially when he's taking like flips anywhere. So we'd love to see you guys dance like the perfect team. This is the perfect team. Yeah. Fantastic, lovely. अरे signature क्या था सर signature? अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. We'll see it in the movie anyway. So yeah, all right. So I think what we are also here for is that you guys are starting a hunt for 20 kids. Yeah.
Yes.
So we want to know what this is all about. What?
Chucky.
We're very, very excited to announce to all and everyone here that we're starting a hunt for 20 kids to star and dance with us, dance with me and Tiger in our promotional video. So, we're starting the hunt today. So you have to send us.
One second, I think he has something
what
to
is it,
say.
Chris? What is it? Oh, you're in it? Oh, no. Okay, auditions have started, guys. See, Chris is on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you two. Okay, cool. We'll have to like choose our. Okay, so we have to make a selection between Chris and.
And you know what I do best.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll select. Okay.
So send us your videos in, and soon you'll get to.
On
dance with
Facebook
us.
and on YouTube, right? That's how you're, looking at it. Fantastic. Please give them a huge round of applause. Yeah? I think Beam has to go. He's feeling hungry now. He wants to go and have his laddus. All right. So we'll now open it to a round of questioning. We'll now open it also to a round of questioning. Please raise your hand and you can ask your questions right now.
Hello.
All right. Questions.
Okay, Jacqueline, if you can see me here,
There.
it's okay. Hi, Jacqueline. Hi, Remo. Hi, Tiger.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hello.
आप तीनों से जानना चाहूंगा जिस तरह का रेस्पॉन्स फिल्म को मिल रहा है, खास करके बच्चे बहुत अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. डू यू थिंक हाफ द बैटल इज वॉन? बच्चे जब पसंद कर रहे हैं तो यकीनन माँ बाप को तो थिएटर तक ले ही जाएंगे. The response is really positive.
ऐसा सोच के तो नहीं बनाई थी, लेकिन बच्चों के लिए बनाई थी, वो सोचा था हमने, क्योंकि ये फिल्म मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है और मैंने हर वक्त फिल्म बनाई है, सभी पूरी फैमिली एक साथ बैठ के देख सके. स्पेशली ये वाली फिल्म तो सबसे पहले बच्चों को दिमाग में रखा एंड देन मैंने बनाई.
Okay, Jacqueline, what would you say? The response is really positive and the kids are just loving it.
I'm just happy because you know, we have made a family film for everyone, and if we have kids loving our film, you know, they're the most honest critics of ours, and if we actually have them loving our film and loving our superhero Flying Jet, then seriously I feel most happy with that. If you guys all go and watch our film.
ओके टाइगर, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, फिल्म रिलीज की कगार पे है, 25 अगस्त को फिल्म रिलीज होने जा रही है, और अगर आपकी लास्ट फिल्मों की बात करें, कमर्शियली बहुत कामयाब रही हैं, आर यू नर्वस? बहुत उम्मीदें होंगी ऑडियंस को भी, क्रिटिक को भी, हर किसी को।
बिल्कुल, एक एक्सपेक्टेशन अभी बढ़ चुका है मुझ पे, पर I've done 3 films in my career so far, and I'm most confident about Flying Jet. तो I think it's all thanks to, you know, बचपन से मुझे एक सुपर हीरो बनना था. I've always wanted to be a superhero. So whatever I do, you know, if I do stunts or if I dance, I try to dance like a superhero. I try to flip like a superhero. I do action like a superhero. And I always want to help people. You know, I always tell kids, you know, if every one of you are a superhero, you know, it's all about helping others. That's a superpower, and that's the greatest superpower. I just want to tell you guys that.
All right, we have one little fan over there.
Let him complete.
जैसे मैं कह रहा था सर, और this is my first film with Remo sir. इंशाल्लाह अगर मौका मिलेगा तो ज़रूर फ्यूचर में भी काम करेंगे. I had the best time working with Remo sir, and you know, he made my life so much easier. He's such a clear director. मुझे बस सेट पर जाना था और मुझे बस काम करना था. I didn't, खुद से मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. It was a big team effort. And you know, एक्शन को लेकर, डांस को लेकर, मैं सब क्रेडिट इनको देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि you know, and I'm very confident because he was so clear in his head from day one. And हम दोनों ज़्यादातर बच्चे लोग के लिए बनाते पिक्चर, you know, क्योंकि बच्चे लोग हमारा ये हिंदुस्तान के फ्यूचर है. And keeping them in mind, we've made this film, and I think if they're already liking it, for me, the film's already a hit.
Okay, who is your favorite superhero from the Bollywood? Though, you know, we have seen Chris in the form of a... Who is your favorite?
ऋतिक रोशन, क्रिश, और मेरे डैडी शिवा खान साहब.
All right, so we have this little boy here. What question do you have? Tell me, 1 second.
How did her mother know? No.
How did her mother know?
How did your mother dress that suit of?
Design that.
How did she dress that suit? Oh, okay. Well, you want one? You want one? Okay, I'll give you one, okay? Once
Yes,
the
he'll
film
give you.
releases.
Yeah, you'll get one.
If you want, you can
Sure.
have mine. But I need it now, okay? Because I have to save the world. But once I'm done saving the world on 25th August, I'll give you my suit, okay? What's your name? What's your name? Divij. Okay, I'm Tiger.
Yeah, hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Also known as Flying Jet.
Remo here,
Yes.
on your right.
Hi, Tiger. Yeah, over on your left.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Tiger. Hi, Jacqueline. Hi, Remo. Okay, so what I wanted to know is that your powers. Every superhero gets his powers from some place. It gets an insect bite or something happens. Where do you get your powers from?
I don't know if I can tell you that. I'll have to ask my director.
I think for that you have to see the film. I mean that's a secret.
It's a very
so-
important moment
Yeah.
that happens in the movie to understand how Flying Jet gets his powers and where it all begins, because he was a simple boy before that. So, yeah, you have to see the film. on the
Okay,
20th.
I'm definitely watching it, but if you cannot say where do you get your powers from, besides flying, are there any other powers associated with your superhero besides flying?
Well, I'm a martial art teacher, so you know he's a gifted fighter already, and he's
I think for the rest, then we'll watch the movie on 25th, and you know we'll
I
figure
don't
it out
really
then.
do much, but good questions. Thank
Hi.
you.
Here, Remo sir, here on your left. Here. Remo, when you're making a film like A Flying Jet, which has a huge audience base, that of kids, so is there any do's and don'ts that you follow, and perhaps is this why you have consciously stayed away from double meaning dialogues and everything in your films?
I never do that. I mean, if you would have seen my earlier, I never have those dialogues in my films. And I always make sure that कि जब भी मेरी फिल्म आए तो पूरी फैमिली एक साथ बैठ के देख सके. कोई बच्चा अपनी माँ को देख के ये नहीं बोल रहे कि वो लोग ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं और ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं. सो मेरे दिमाग में ऑलवेज रहता है कि जब बच्चे पूरी फैमिली बैठ के देखें तो कोई बच्चा अपने पेरेंट्स से कोई गलत सवाल ना पूछ ले या गलत चीज़ ना पूछ ले फिल्म देखते समय. और मैं मानता हूँ कि फिल्म भी एजुकेशन देता है आपको, और हमारी बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एज ए डायरेक्टर कि हम वो फिल्में दिखाएं जो बच्चों को कुछ सिखाए, ना कि कुछ गलत सिखाए. सो मैं ऑलवेज मेरे फिल्मों में यही रखूँगा जो कुछ सिखा पाए.
Yeah. Also, Tiger, we see in the film that you are doing household work, including everything. Is that how you are also in real life, and you do the things that we see on screen?
I do a lot of work outside my house. In my house, my mother is my superhero. तो उल्टा है मेरा घर में. My mom is the superhero, but you know, I still, in one way, I am very alike to my character because both the superhero and me are scared of my mother, and I listen to my mother. Everything she has to say, I have to listen to. She's stronger than me.
All right, with this, I think we'll close this line of questioning.
Last question. Tiger.
Okay, we'll take one last question.
Yeah. Hi, as you said last time that Hrithik was surprised with your Flying Jet trailer. So are you planning any special screening for him?
For Hrithik sir?
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind. I hope so. If he has time from his schedule, and if he wants us to organize it, yeah, we would love to, of course, yeah.
Definitely.
He's
Jacqueline,
an idol.
and apparently recently Salman posted a video supporting Rustam, and साथ ही मोहनजोदारो भी release हो रही है, but everybody, so many people we have seen supporting Rustam. Do you support Mohenjo-daro, being a Hrithik fan?
I think we can talk about the movie. That would be better, right? Because I'm so interested to know about
let him
Flying Jet and
answer.
everything.
Let him answer. He can answer. Let him answer.
You know, ma'am, they're very different films, and we're only making films for you viewers. And I urge the viewers to go see both Rustam and Mohenjo-daro because they're both very brilliant films and from brilliant filmmakers and actors. So
And Flying Jet supports all films.
that's right.
Jacqueline,
All right.
Jacqueline,
Okay, मेरा आखिरी सवाल मैं आखिरी
Sir,
सवाल
अभी sir, we're closing it. Thank you so much.
पूछने let him answer ना, let him answer.
Thank you so
Let him
much.
answer.
With this,
Let
with
him
this,
answer.
Jacqueline.
Let him answer. मेरा आप तीनों से सवाल है, जिस तरह से बायोपिक आपकी
Yeah,
तारीफ
thank
में
you
बन
so
रही है और
much.
लोग तारीफ कर रहे
All
हैं. Let him answer. जिस तरह से लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं बायोपिक, ये लास्ट सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा मैं आप तीनों से. रेमो सर, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, जिस तरह से लोग बायोपिक बना रहे हैं और हाल में ये भी खबर आई है कि आर.डी. बर्मन साहब पे बायोपिक बनने जा रही है.
अच्छा,
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आर.डी. बर्मन जी इतने दिग्गज लीजेंड रहे हैं म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री के. हाउ डू यू सी
मेरे को
दिस?
आइडिया नहीं है एक्चुअली कि उन पे कोई फिल्म बन रही है, बट बायोपिक्स चल रही है, बननी चाहिए.
Okay, Jacqueline, what do you have to say about there's a biopic happening on R.D. Burman? R.D. Burman.
All
R.D.
right,
Burman.
sir, we're going to cancel it. I think we're running out of time also. Thank you so much.